everyone, welcome back to Orlando Girl 247 Jess. Today we are going to tour another Disney Springs Resort Hotel, and that is Holiday Inn. So let's go. It's only a 10 to 15 minute walk to and from Disney Springs. They offer a free shuttle to the parks. However, it must be scheduled, which you can do online. Also, keep in mind only morning and evening times are provided. Okay, let's start out by checking out the pool area. So I'm in room 1210, and look at this, looking down, whoa. There's a luggage rack here that I already put my suitcase on, and a full-length mirror. Here's the air conditioner. And a nice flat screen TV. And of course I have Stacy playing. I mean, what else when you're at Disney? You always play Stacy. I do like these little lamps that have lots of outlets in them. Outlets and places to charge your phones, your iPads, or computer, whatever you have. Another drawer of storage. Got the king size room. I will tell you in the morning how well that bed sleeps. And over here is a microwave, which this is I believe this is the first Disney resort to have a microwave. Maybe the Hilton did, I can't remember. And a refrigerator. Here's your ice bucket. They give you 2 complimentary bottles of water. Here's 3 more drawers for storage. There's a desk over here. Chair. And I do like the fact they have a Keurig coffee maker, which, you know, you're going to get good coffee with that. And this chair right here is a pull-out bed. I will show that in just a second. It's not a real big bed, but someone could sleep on it. Maybe not a really big person, but someone could sleep on it. Here's a coffee table. And I got the Disney Resort view. I will show you the view in the morning also. So, I don't know how well you can see right now, but I can see Contemporary from here. I can't wait to see this in the morning. And you can see Disney Springs really well from here. And I do like the fact, oh look, you can see the Orlando Eye from here. I like the fact that you can actually come out on this balcony. So far, the balconies, there hasn't really been a balcony at these Disney Springs resorts that I've stayed at. I've stayed at the Bee Resort, the Wyndham, and the Hilton, and now Holiday Inn. And this is the only one that does have a balcony. Okay, so I just pulled out this chair, and as you can see, yeah, it's a tiny little twin bed that someone could sleep on, maybe not a very large person. So you have that there. Let me just show you again exactly what room I am in. So I'm in room 1210, and look at this looking down. Whoa.